Milosti. It's 2:25 a.m. and I'm getting closer to Kružni Tok in the Old Hood. Tako, there is this big store where we used to buy something. Tako černo pivo, but you cannot see it because it's in the distance. There is tako apoteka there. Tako, here is Kružni Tok. Old Hood, tako Milosti, it's called because I used to live in this hood, so I call it Old Hood, but real name is Matije Huđi. Matije Huđi. Tako, this is it, Milosti. These tall buildings, 8 floors. Tako, on my right and on my left side. Tako. And I'm going this direction. Tako. Going this direction to Ravanička 51. Mnogo te volim. Tako. You see, tako, Old Hood, Kružni Tok. There is apoteka, as I already said. And tako, this direction I'm going to Ravanička. You remember, tako, šestko. Tako, mnogo te volim. My shadow is there, tako. Tick. That's my shadow. No, I'm missing you so fucking much. Tako, and I didn't show up. Tonight. And tako, really, I'm sorry, Milosti, but tako, Borislav, Aunt and me been talking and drinking. And tako, Milosti, mnogo te volim. We'll meet tako today. I don't know what time, maybe lunch break, maybe tako at 22, but mnogo te volim, don't forget that. Tako, najbardziej na świecie. This is the place where this tako Pudla is living. You cannot see it, oh, but never mind. Tako, but this direction I'm going to Ravanička. You remember this tako curve, then there is Silos, and on the right tako is Ravanička. Dobro, idzie nam Milosti, mnogo te volim, bardzo missing you, kocham cię najbardziej na świecie, jesteś moja supergirl, moja miłość. I to wszystko moje jesteś. Tako, Milosti. Idzie nam. Pa, Milosti. Pa. Can you see the Silos there? Tako, those highlights. That's Silos. Tako. Mnogo. Tako, here is this German Shepherd living. I will show you. Tako, this house. Here, tako. Here on the left, tako. Here. Tako, I warned you that the German Shepherd is living there and you should not be scared. Tako, when it starts barking, whoa! Tako, he is there. I don't know if you can see him. He is in front of the door. German Shepherd. Tako. Dobro, Milosti. In front of me, tako, like 30-40 meters is turning left, tako, there, tako, to this hood where the school is, and basketball court where I used to play basketball, and you've been recording me, tako and Kolju, of course. Tako. So I'm very close to the house. In Ravanička, 51. Tako, milošci, tako. Silas is there. Oh, you cannot see my finger even. There, tako, those lights in the distance. There is Kotka. I don't know if you can see Kotku. No, you can't. Kotka is across the street. Tormers, idzie pa. No good powiem. Tak, on the right you will see there turning to Vlada Kalaica, my friend. Hood and the school and basketball court. Tako, right there. Right there, tako. Milošci, you can see that street, and there, tako, you cannot see this silos. Never mind, milošci. Idzie pa. Kocham.